Hello, friends, and welcome to The Architecture Enthusiast. Villa Noailles, designed by Robert Mallet-Stevens and constructed between 1923 and 1928 in the hills of Hyères, France, is an early masterpiece of modernist architecture. Commissioned by the wealthy art patrons Charles and Marie-Laure de Noailles, the villa was designed to reflect the avant-garde spirit of the era and to serve as both a private residence and a space for artistic collaboration. The building's architectural innovations are a bold expression of the modernist movement, prioritizing functionality, clean lines, and the integration of architecture with its natural surroundings. As you approach Villa Noailles, its stark white geometric volumes emerge from the hillside, each section of the building interlocking like pieces of a puzzle. The exterior is characterized by its cubist form, with sharp angles and flat roofs that reflect the influence of Bauhaus and De Stijl architecture. The absence of ornamentation is striking. Mallet-Stevens emphasized the purity of form over decoration, making the building itself the focal point. The villa's design is a study in asymmetry and balance, with the different levels and terraces cascading down the slope, creating a sense of movement and fluidity. Each volume serves a distinct purpose, some dedicated to living spaces, others to recreation, all interconnected by a series of terraces and stairways. The flat roofs are designed as usable spaces, in keeping with modernist ideals of maximizing functionality. These rooftop terraces provide sweeping views of the surrounding landscape, reinforcing the idea of blurring the line between indoor and outdoor living. One of the villa's most striking features is its use of horizontal ribbon windows, which run the length of many of the rooms, framing the views of the Mediterranean landscape while flooding the interior with natural light. These large windows are a hallmark of modernist design, emphasizing openness and transparency while enhancing the sense of connection between the built environment and nature. Inside, the emphasis on geometry continues, with rectilinear rooms and minimalist finishes. The staircases, often a central feature in Mallet-Stevens' designs, are simple yet elegant, with sleek metal railings that mirror the clean lines of the architecture. The interior spaces are arranged to maximize the flow of air and light, with open-plan layouts and movable partitions allowing for flexibility in how the spaces are used. The indoor swimming pool is another architectural innovation, situated in a large, light-filled room with floor-to-ceiling windows that offer views of the garden. The pool area exemplifies Mallet-Stevens' ability to blend luxury with modernism. Its tiled surfaces and glass walls give the space a sleek, futuristic feel, while the natural light adds warmth and a sense of openness. The villa's integration with its landscape is one of its defining features. Mallet-Stevens designed the building to complement its Mediterranean surroundings, using white plaster to reflect the sunlight and incorporating terraces and balconies that overlook the garden. The design takes full advantage of the hillside location, ensuring that every room has access to natural light and views of the sea or garden. The garden itself was designed by Gabriel Guevrekian in a modernist style, with geometric layouts that echo the architectural forms of the villa. While Villa Noailles was celebrated by many for its forward-thinking design, it also faced criticism for its austere, minimalist aesthetic. Some found the flat roofs and sharp angles to be too severe, especially in contrast to the more traditional homes in the area. Critics argued that the villa's design was more suited to an art gallery than a comfortable home, with its focus on geometry and light over warmth and intimacy. Despite these criticisms, Villa Noailles remains one of the most significant examples of early modernist architecture, a building that pushed the boundaries of what a home could be. It is a testament to Mallet-Stevens' ability to combine functional design with artistic vision, creating a space that is both a work of art and a livable home. Today, Villa Noailles is a cultural center and museum, celebrated for its architectural innovations and its role as a gathering place for artists and thinkers. The villa's crisp, geometric forms, strategic use of natural light, and seamless connection with its environment continue to inspire architects and designers, marking it as a cornerstone of modernist architecture.